Europe is famous for having some of the strongest passports in the world. But in 2026, some countries are making travel even easier for Europeans. No visa applications, no long waits, just freedom to explore. In this video, we're counting down 7 countries that welcome Europeans with open arms in 2026 and uncovering the real reasons behind these visa-free policies. Let's get started. Number 7, Georgia. Georgia has become one of the most generous countries in the world when it comes to visa-free travel. Europeans can stay up to 1 year without a visa, which is longer than most destinations. Why is Georgia so welcoming? The main reason is tourism and economic growth. Europeans visiting Georgia spend money on hotels, restaurants, tours, and shopping, which gives a big boost to the local economy. The government sees visa-free access as the fastest way to attract travelers. Another reason is cultural exchange. Georgia has strong ties to Europe and wants to deepen them through easier travel. Europeans can experience the country's stunning mountain landscapes, ancient wine regions, and lively cities like Tbilisi. Visa-free travel also opens opportunities beyond tourism. Some visitors come to invest, work remotely, or even consider relocation. Students and young professionals enjoy longer stays, making Georgia a hub for both leisure and personal growth. Local businesses thrive from the increased number of visitors. Hotels, restaurants, and tour operators benefit, which strengthens the economy further. In 2026, Georgia remains a top choice for Europeans who want adventure, cultural experiences, and affordable travel, all in a welcoming environment. United Arab Emirates, or UAE. The UAE is famous for luxury, modern cities, and world-class attractions. In 2026, Europeans can visit Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and other Emirates without a visa, making trips faster and easier than ever. So why does the UAE offer this? The main reason is tourism and business. Europeans bring high spending power, whether on shopping, hotels, or entertainment. The government also wants to maintain its role as a global hub for travelers and investors. Another factor is strong diplomatic relations. The UAE has solid connections with European nations, and visa-free access helps maintain and strengthen these relationships. Europeans can stay for up to 90 days, which is plenty of time to explore, attend meetings, or enjoy luxury resorts. Families, solo travelers, and business visitors all benefit from smooth entry. This policy also supports the UAE's plan to diversify its economy beyond oil. More tourists mean more jobs in hospitality, retail, and transport. Visitors can explore iconic landmarks like the Burj Khalifa, enjoy desert safaris, or shop during festivals without worrying about visas. In 2026, the UAE continues to offer a luxurious, seamless, and memorable travel experience for European visitors. Number 5, Thailand. Thailand has long been a favorite for European travelers thanks to its beaches, temples, and vibrant street life. In 2026, many Europeans can enter Thailand without a visa, making trips more convenient than ever. Why does Thailand do this? Tourism is a key part of its economy, and European visitors provide consistent spending throughout the year. Visa-free entry keeps Thailand attractive and accessible. Europeans can explore Bangkok's markets, Chiang Mai's cultural landmarks, and Phuket's islands without delays. The flexibility also helps families, friends, and solo travelers plan spontaneous trips. Competition with neighboring countries is another factor. Thailand wants to remain Southeast Asia's top travel destination. Visa-free access gives it an edge over nations with stricter rules. Short-term business travelers also benefit from faster entry, while local hotels, restaurants, and tour operators gain more customers. Festivals, cooking classes, night markets, and multi-city trips become much easier. Thailand's visa-free program in 2026 ensures smooth travel, longer stays, and unforgettable experiences for Europeans looking to explore both city life and tropical relaxation. Number 4, Malaysia. Malaysia offers a unique combination of modern cities, tropical islands, and cultural diversity. In 2026, Europeans can visit without a visa, making travel, well, stress-free and flexible. The main reason Malaysia welcomes Europeans is tourism-driven economic growth. Visitors spend money in luxury hotels, beach resorts, and local businesses, which definitely boosts the economy. Europeans can stay for up to 90 days, which is enough time to explore multiple regions. Families can plan last-minute trips, while digital nomads enjoy extended stays in cities like Penang or Kota Kinabalu. Malaysia also uses this policy to compete with nearby destinations like Thailand or Indonesia. Short-term business travelers benefit from smooth entry procedures, attending conferences, or exploring partnerships without delay. Cultural festivals, rainforest tours, and island hopping become so much more accessible. Travelers can enjoy traditional markets, local cuisine, and historic sites freely. In 2026, Malaysia ensures every European traveler enjoys convenience, affordability, and memorable experiences, all while discovering the country's natural beauty and warm hospitality. Number 3, Singapore. So Singapore is a clean, safe, and highly modern city-state. Europeans visiting in 2026 can enter without a visa, which makes trips, honestly, extremely straightforward. The reasons behind this are economic strategy and international trust. Singapore wants to keep its position as Asia's leading hub for tourism and business. European visitors often combine leisure with business activities, and they tend to spend significantly on hospitality and retail. Visa-free access also reflects strong diplomatic relations. Europeans can stay for up to 90 days, which is plenty of time to enjoy city attractions like Marina Bay Sands, Sentosa Island, and Gardens by the Bay, or even attend extended business events. This policy really benefits local sectors. Hotels, restaurants, shopping malls, and entertainment venues get consistent European customers throughout the year. Short-term business visitors can attend conferences and trade shows without any hassle. Plus, efficient immigration ensures a smooth airport experience, and travelers can jump right into cultural festivals, guided tours, hawker centers, and river cruises without worrying about visa delays. Singapore's visa-free policy in 2026 guarantees safe, convenient, and honestly unforgettable travel, blending urban sophistication with cultural exploration. Number 2, South Korea. South Korea is, really famous for K-pop technology, scenic landscapes, and its rich cultural heritage. Europeans will be able to visit visa-free in 2026, making travel so much faster and simpler. The main reasons for this are economic growth and cultural exchange. European tourists bring significant spending to hotels, restaurants, entertainment, and shopping areas. South Korea also uses tourism as a tool for soft power, promoting its culture and strengthening ties with Europe. Travelers can stay up to 90 days, which is definitely enough to explore Seoul's vibrant streets, Busan's beautiful coastline, and Jeju Island's volcanic landscapes. Family, students, and young professionals can enjoy cultural immersion without any of those visa hassles. Short-term business visitors can attend conferences or explore partnerships, really smoothly. The tourism policy benefits local economies, and seasonal festivals, traditional experiences, cooking classes, and mountain trails all become so much more accessible. Multi-city trips are simpler, blending urban excitement with natural beauty. South Korea in 2026 ensures flexible, memorable, and seamless travel for European visitors, while promoting cultural understanding and boosting local businesses. Number 1, Japan. Japan tops the list for Europeans in 2026. Visa-free entry allows visitors to experience a nation where ancient traditions meet cutting-edge technology. The main reason for Japan's welcoming policy is tourism growth and economic recovery. European visitors spend more and often stay longer than other regions, supporting hotels, restaurants, and transportation services. Visa-free stays can last up to 90 days, giving tourists plenty of time to explore Tokyo's skyscrapers, Kyoto's temples, and honestly, hidden gems across the country. Japan also emphasizes cultural appreciation and diplomatic relations. Travelers find multilingual signs, tourist-friendly services, and smooth immigration procedures. Students, families, and professionals can explore or conduct business without delays. The policy supports the economy beyond just tourism. Local businesses, retail, and entertainment sectors benefit from steady European customers throughout the year. Seasonal events like cherry blossom festivals or autumn leaf viewing are, much more accessible. Visitors can try traditional crafts, enjoy hot spring resorts, and immerse themselves in cultural experiences without paperwork delays. Japan's visa-free program encourages longer stays and repeat visits, creating lasting connections with Europe and supporting local communities while preserving cultural heritage. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Click the bell icon button to get the next video. Thank you for staying with us, and see you in the next video.